With K-State Research and Extension, I'm Kate Hagans, and here we're speaking with Herschel George about water management practices and livestock living.
What we were working on today was talking about the alternate water supplies we use for livestock. Some of the best ones are the super insulated ones if you're on a public water supply or a pressurized system. But if you're on a gravity flow system out of a pond or something of that nature, some of the concrete tanks that go behind the pond where a majority of the tank is covered, only a small area is out in the open, has been very, very successful. Here recently, we have been introducing tire tanks and using agricultural type tires even as our tank. The reason we're doing that is the ease of the producers installing them and the low cost that it is for the producers to install them. This tire we're using today, it is actually a mining tire, and it is a tire that has been sliced like a bagel, so it is now about 30 inches tall, and we will be installing the drain line and the incoming water line through the bottom of that tank, and then putting concrete over those lines up to the top of the bead on the inside. It will take, in this case, maybe 20 bags of sackcrete to fill it in because they're leaving quite of a large void down there that we have to fill. In some cases, it may, if we're using agricultural tires such as combine tires that are 30.5, 32s, some people call them rice tires, it may take 6 or 8 bags of sackcrete to fill those tires. The main thing is to get the site good and level so that it fills evenly. The interesting thing about when we pour the concrete is as soon as we get the concrete leveled and smoothed off and use a trowel on the top, I tell the producer to put water on the tank. We want it put on there soon. That slows the rate of cure and makes the concrete even stronger.
And for the take-home message for the producers, you're saying by practicing better water alternates, this could better not only just water production, but also their herd health.
Yes, we're trying to encourage guys to install waters so that the cattle are drinking from them rather than from the ponds and the streams. It's not for the quality of water that the cattle are drinking, but for the water that leaves their farm.